Welcome to the aspect of this tutorial. Now today's tutorial we shall be looking at the menu bar. We are going to start exploring the menu bar from the file menu, the layout menu, the view menu, the object menu, the bitmap menu, all the sub command in that menu bar that will use them in conjunction with the toolbox to get our graphic job done. We shall be looking at all of them. Do well to watch to the end of this video, and as you watch, if you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you'll be updated whenever we have new content. So let's get started. Alright, in our today's tutorial we shall be looking at the menu bar, having discussed all the things we need to discuss on the tools bar. We are going to start from the menu bar. We shall be looking at the first command. Here is the new. This new helps us to open a new page, a new document in our work. You can see another work we are having on title document 1. Now we have a title document 2 now. Now the new helps us to open a new file entirely to start another new work. Now we also have the new for template. The new for template, like I explained from the beginning, it is the one that show us all the whole new templates available in this version of this CorelDRAW, but we are not present in the previous version of CorelDRAW, which are here, which you can easily come select any of the template that relate with whatever thing you want to do, and when you select, you just say open. The work will be open for you. The work will be open for you, which you have the full capacity to customize and edit it to the taste of what you want it to be. As simple as that. Now, moving to the next command, we have this open. This open helps us to open document from our local directory. Is it from our system or any external storage device that is connected? You can scroll to any part of your system directory. You can scroll to any part of the system directory to check wherever you want to open the work for. Maybe it is this third year graduation, or maybe should I scroll down? Let me scroll down. Let me go to document. Let's check if we have any other CorelDRAW file we can open. Let me increase it. Let me make it large icon. Now we can open this one here like this. Let's wait for it to come up. You can see that. So this open help us to open our previous work or any work from the local directory, from our system, or from any external storage device that is connected to our system, as the case may be. And the next thing we have to work on is next thing we have to work on is the open recent. Now open recent, this open from cloud is where you are connected online, which we never recommend or CorelDRAW. Now we have the open recent. The open recent help you to open any recently concluded work with this software, which in this case we have different work that have been concluded in this software. There are just few work. Now let me click on my neighbor's banner. Okay, this is from Flash, which the Flash is not connected again. Let me go again. I'm going to say okay. This one is typing new. It's a typing work. Okay, this is from Flash. This one is from the system. Let me have to open it. If you have been watching our video, if this is your first time watching our video, you just come across our video for the first time and you have not subscribed, if you got value for any of our video or the video you are currently watching now, please subscribe. That is the only way you can encourage us to put more effort and have more content which we believe you will benefit better.
So please subscribe, it is free, you don't need to pay money, just hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we have any content you will be notified. And as you do, God bless you.
Now you can see this is the recent work that have been concluded using this my banner I designed for creating. This is my banner. So this is a recent work that have been concluded using this system. I designed this banner I think 3 days ago for my business here. My own banner outside, they are worn out already, so I have to redesign because I could not get the old file, the old design any longer. I have to quickly redesign before I can bring it to place. So that is that on that aspect, how you open recent. And the next one we are going to look at is a document management. Is it to open the document or to save? Now in this case we don't have anything to do here. The document is already saved. The only thing we can do is to save it if it has not been saved. And under this open here you can click on it, which will take you online. We are not going to do this. We don't have anything to do online. Now we have this close here. There is difference between the close here, the close that is here. This thing is not allowing me to bring the pen. There is difference between the close that is here and the close that is here. They are two different things. This close is different, this close is different. This close only close this work. If I continue closing it to the last work, it will close the work. See, if I see close this one again, if I see click close or close everything at once, you see that the package is active. Whereas if I use this side, if I were to use this side, it will close the package entirely, and that is not what I want to intend doing. So let's quickly rush back to one of the work. Let me just open one of the work. Now in the next aspect that we are going to do, we have the save. Now the save is a second command. The save is a second command that we carried out whenever we want to update any value to our work or any updates. Are we following? Now it is a save as command that we use first. You can see even the save is not active. You can see the save is not active. Even when it is active by me doing one or two things, I must use the save. It is a work of the save as command that will help you to save. You can see I click the save as command. Now it is a work of the save as command to take you to this place where you type whatever thing you want to save. Select the location. Is it other document? By default it's on document already. Is it under picture directory, other download directory, other desktop directory? Which other directory do you want to save it? Are you saving it as a CorelDRAW file, Adobe Illustrator file, which PDF file, or which type of file extension did you want to save this work? Now in the version of the work, are you maintaining this version 23, or you want to step the version down, or you want to step it down a bit down to version 50 or whatever version is support? Then is it only what you select before coming to this place, or the entire work page? If you click select, means it is what is the selectable object or things that you select that will be received in that file extension. But when you unmark this select, it means everything on the page being selected or not, and you hit on save. That is the save as command. It's a save as command that always give you directory to do that. Why the save only help you to update our figure is because I have not saved before. I have not used the save as command. That is why it's still taking me back here. Let me just quickly save this rough work here. Now as I have used the save as command to save, if I have any updates now, you can see if I just click on save, the save is to update value, is to update anything you have modified. That is it. It is a save as command that take you to the system directory where you can select the location you are saving the work for. You can select whatsoever name you are saving it. You can select whatsoever version, so on and so forth. And let's quickly rush. Now, save to cloud helps you to save your work to cloud. That is where you have an account with CorelDRAW Software Corporation. You have an account there and you are signing, you can save to cloud. That is, you cannot only be saving your work to your system, which is your local storage, but you can also save it to cloud, maybe for future reference. Now the next one is save as template. You can as well save your design. For instance, you can as well save any of your design as a template. You can as well save any of your design as a template. For instance, if I click here now and I say save as a template. Now, what did I want to save the name of the template? I can say EBM design. Sorry, EBM design, and I save. Then what is the language? Title asset. This asset name, the title. You can see type E. Okay, let me capitalize it. EBM design. For instance, if there is any tag for it, I can put. If there is nothing cited for it, I can put. Then, if there is food, is it 3 food, 4 food, whatsoever thing, I can put. Which category does it belong? I can put it other banner, because all these are banner. Let me see if I have the option for banner. There's no option for banner, so I can just put it poster or others, as simple as that. Then I save. Each time I come using this system, this cannot be updated, this cannot be found in other system exception of this system template here. So if I go for this new from template now, if I go, this is all templates, this is it here. So to be precise, I can go to this. Instead of all category, I can just go to under poster. I will have it there. You can see, because I put it under poster. Whenever I click open now, the work will be open for me. The work will be open for me. You can see the work will be open for me, because it has been saved as a template inside this software. That is that on that aspect. Now we have the acquire aspect. The acquire aspect is a command that is used to scan documents through our scanner to CorelDRAW environment directly. If I have my scanner connected through USB cable or any available connectivity, now I have to select the twin source or select the VA source. Once I click, it will display the list of the connected device. I will select the one I want, and the next thing, all this button become active, where I will come back under this acquire. I will see under this acquire image, this acquire now will be active, which I will click, and I will start previewing my scanning. How am I scanning it as? Is it as PDF or as any file format, depending on the device that is connected? So that is that on that. Now the next one we are going to look at is the import. Import helps you to bring stuff from outside the package to inside the package. Like you want to import image, you can easily click on import, go to the location and click import. When you click, the image size will be retained the way it was from the original aspect. But when you import and you drag, the image size will be according to the way you drag your hand. So let's quickly go back. Let's import and drag. For instance, when I drag, the size will be according to how I drag. But when you bring it and you just click, the size will be the original size from where you are importing it from. As simple as that. So alright guys, let's continue from this aspect. As we have import, while import is to bring in, export is to convert from CorelDRAW file extension to another file extension of your choice, depending on how you want to use the work. Now we can click on export. Now in this export now, did you want to change the name? You can change the name. What are you exporting as? For instance, now I have finished this design. I want to make this design viewable through my phone because CorelDRAW file cannot be previewed using phone. How do I make this phone viewable through this file viewable through my phone? That I will not have to need CorelDRAW to open this one. It's either I'm publishing it to PDF or I'm turning it to JPEG or any file, any image related file extension, because who can view image PNG, JPG, PZ or any file extension, IMG, you understand? And you can also view PDF, but CorelDRAW, it is very hard to view CorelDRAW file on phone. Even when you install supported software, it will still change the display of the design the way it was. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to go for exports, which is shortcut.
All our old-time viewer or the new viewer, if you have been watching our content to this extent and you watch to the end, make sure you check the next part of this video for continuation. Or if this is the first video in this graphic design journey that you are just watching, make sure you check our previous video from the beginning of the class or the tutorial so that you understand it. And as you do, make sure you subscribe. Thank you.